an acoustic version of the song. Let's see if I still remember. After this will be You Are My Sunshine untuk si Entahalana. Oh, thank you. Let's try. Hopefully you remember. I really like this. Setelah ini. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. Sayonara. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Jerry, thank you, Miss Glowing. Feel we're close enough. Could unlock in your love. How does this go? I feel we're close enough. Could unlock in your love. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured. Got me wrapped up in your touch, Mars. Feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat on my chest? I feel we're close enough. Could unlock in your love. I feel we're close enough. Could unlock in your love. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Jerry, I'm latching on to you. Ooh, I missed this song. So that's called Latch by Sam Smith. I'm Dana Kinosi. Welcome to my live. Thank you again so much for the 3 stars. Top 5 on the heat list. I still need 73 shares left on Facebook and or Twitter. If you can share, if you decide to want to share the live, delete the post right after. You can do just that. If not, it's okay. Ash, thank you, Bellbergs. Thank you to those of you that voted in this golden box above here, where I'm currently at top 2 for the Philippine Gala 2024 performers. Round 2 free votes or gift votes are all appreciated. So thank you so much. Thank you for the top 9 on the heat list. Let's do the next track. This is a sleeping song. This is You Are My Sunshine by Moira's version of the song, but originally it's a traditional song. I'm not really sure it's the original singer. Dot, hello Sheer, hello. Request niya ang tahlana ini. Let's go, let's go. Suspiciousness. Coffee high. The other night, dear the Gaia, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held sniper. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my holy sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. J.R. Tan, please don't take my sunshine away. Okay, spaciousness, I'll always love you and make you happy. Storbo ko sa McDobby, and nothing else could come between. Hi, Chai. But if you leave me to love another, you have shattered all of my dreams. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Franco, you make me happy when skies are gray. That's Hit Mars. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Spaciousness, please don't take my sunshine away. So that was You Are My Sunshine by Moira de la Torre. I'm Danica C. Welcome here to my live, everybody. Thank you for the 3 stars, top 10 on the heat list. I still need 73 shares left on Facebook and or Twitter. If you can share, if you decide to want to share the live, and delete the post right after.